Once upon a time, the market was chaos. Every open house was a street fight in disguise. Over asking, no conditions, love letters to strangers. But 2025 feels different. The market sobered up. Buyers stopped panicking. Sellers started blinking. And now, here we are, not in a crash, but in a recalibration. Bidding wars aren't gone, but they're no longer the norm. So how do you win without lighting your money on fire? You get honest. What's the place actually worth? Not emotionally, but statistically? What's sold nearby? How long was it listed? What's missing in the photos? You prep like you're going to war. Financing tight, deposit ready, timeline clear. And then you play the game. You watch for pullbacks. You catch sellers off balance. You don't chase hype, you make it. And sometimes you walk away. Because winning a house isn't just about outbidding. It's about knowing the market well enough to walk in with power or walk out with peace.